beats. It's the pulse that you feel. And in order to read music, you need to have a way of knowing how long each note goes for. And so we draw them in different ways. And so very quickly, if you see a circle somewhere, then that is what we call a semibreve. And it's equal to 4 beats. If you're tapping a melody or a piece of music, it's going to be 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how long that note would go for. And then you've got a circle as well, but it's got a stem on it. And that's called a minim, and that's equal to 2. So obviously you can fit 2 minims into the time of 1 semibreve. Now minim, obviously the stem can go up or down. In this case I'm doing down. And then you've got your crotchets. That's a 1 beat note, and it is, you can fit 4 of them into one of those. Then you've got your quaver, and that is worth half. Sometimes you'll see a quaver written like this. If you've got more than 1 quaver, rather than do lots of them with, it just is very labour intensive to have to go tails on all of them. So instead of doing that, the other way we can write quavers when we've got more than 1 is to join them. And if you've got 4, you can join them like that. So you can join them as 2s or 4s. Each one of those is worth a half. And then the last one that we're going to look at today is the semiquaver. And that is worth a quarter. It's got 2 tails. And same again, if you've got more than 1, you can join them together like that, and you'll see there's 2 lines. That's a semiquaver, quarter beat. So in terms of writing them on your stave, a semibreve needs to be drawn if it's on a line, making sure that it doesn't hit either of the lines above it or below it. If it's drawn in a space, it needs to touch the lines either side. If you draw a semibreve like that, that is incorrect, because you can't really tell which one it is. You have to be quite accurate. With a minim, if it's in the middle line, you can put the stem down, or you can put the stem up. But if it's, as a rule, the stems will go down if the note is above the middle line, and the stem will go up if it's below the middle line. And stems that go down are always on the left-hand side, and stems that go up are always on the right. There are exceptions to those rules, like if you've got some quavers that go like this, then you would decide it can either go up or down. Normally those 2 would go down, so you might have done it the other way. Same rule applies for crotchets. If they're in a space, they need to have the line either side. If they're on a line, they need to make sure they don't touch any other line. So that's worth a half, that's worth a quarter, that's worth a quarter, so together they make a half. Yeah.